Hey there, fellow travel lovers. Welcome to Two Brits Travel, where adventure begins and ordinary life ends. We're Rena and Paul, a British couple who swapped the 9-to-5 life for passports, backpacks, and a one-way ticket to freedom. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the quiet charm of coastal Bulgaria, we're on a mission to explore it all and take you with us. Follow our journey for real, honest travel stories, practical tips, digital nomad hacks, and everything in between. Whether you're planning your next trip or dreaming of a travel-fueled life, you're in the right place. Subscribe to Two Brits Travel and come explore the world with us, one unforgettable adventure at a time. Your journey starts here. The Black Sea awakens gently, casting golden hues over the sleepy town of Giresun. The salty breeze carries the scent of pine and seaweed. Fishing boats rock softly in the harbour. Streets slowly come alive with the sound of shop shutters opening and seagulls crying overhead. The Giresun Castle, perched above like a watchful guardian, catches the morning light. Its ancient stones whispering tales of Greek colonists and Ottoman legacies. In this moment, time stands still. Nature and history merge in a silent agreement to preserve the magic of the coast. You are no longer just a tourist. You are part of this ancient rhythm. Just offshore lies a place wrapped in myth, Giresun Island. Said to be the home of the Amazon women and sacred to ancient civilizations, the island is blanketed in lush greenery, caressed by the turquoise waves of the Black Sea. A narrow boat slices through the calm water, taking visitors closer to the mysteries hidden in the thick foliage and crumbling ruins. As you step onto the sacred soil, feel the pulse of time under your feet. Birds flutter through ancient fig trees, while the wind hums forgotten songs across moss-covered stones. This is not just a visit, it's a pilgrimage into legend. In the hills above the coast, life slows to a different rhythm. Here, villages built of stone and wood nestle among hazelnut orchards. This is the world's premier hazelnut region, where generations have worked the land with pride. Watch as women in floral headscarves sort nuts by hand, laughing over steaming tea. A shepherd's call echoes as goats graze in the morning mist. Every detail, every face tells a story of resilience and tradition. The scent of roasted hazelnuts drifts from kitchens where elders bake ancestral recipes passed down over centuries. This is the soul of Giresun, simple, strong, sacred. Further east lies Ordu, its coastline a painter's dream. The sea reflects the changing blues of the sky, framed by beaches of volcanic stone and soft sand. Cable cars soar over the city to Boztepe hill, offering panoramic views that steal your breath. Below, the Ordu pier welcomes promenading couples and fishermen alike. Dive into clear waters or relax in waterfront cafes where the clink of tea glasses punctuates gentle conversation. As the sun dips low, the sky burns orange and lavender, casting an unforgettable glow across the water. Ordu is not just a city, it is poetry by the sea. Above the coast, the landscape transforms into a dramatic stage of misty mountains and alpine pastures. The Perched and Ibasta plateaus stretch wide under open skies, where wildflowers bloom and eagles circle. Local herders in wool cloaks tend to flocks, their melodic calls blending with the rush of distant waterfalls. Wooden chalets dot the hillsides, where guests are welcomed with warm soup and stories around glowing hearths. Here, the silence is powerful, broken only by the voice of nature. It is a place to rediscover solitude, where you're reminded that true peace lies far from the rush of modern life. Stay Step into centuries past as you explore mosques with intricately carved minarets and hidden monasteries carved into mountain stone. In Ordu's historical neighbourhoods, Ottoman houses lean over cobbled streets, their wooden frames creaking softly in the breeze. The scent of incense and prayer lingers in the air. In Giresun's old churches and mosques, faiths converge in quiet harmony. Bells and calls to prayer echo together, bridging time. These sacred spaces invite you to reflect, not only on history, but on your place within it. Here, belief is not just personal, it's etched into stone, wood, and soul. End your journey where the locals always gather, around the table. Freshly caught anchovies sizzle in cast iron pans. Dishes like koymak, rich with cornmeal and cheese, bubble beside trays of sweet baklava. The air is thick with the scent of garlic, lemon, and fire. Tea flows freely, poured from silver kettles into tulip-shaped glasses. Each bite tells a story of mountains, coastlines, and the families who shaped them. In the laughter around the table, in the clink of cutlery, in the warmth of shared food, you find the true flavour of the Black Sea. You don't just taste it, you live it. Giresun and Ordu are more than destinations, they're living stories. They are the pulse of the Black Sea coast, a sacred blend of land and culture, sea and spirit. As you leave, you carry more than souvenirs. You carry echoes, memories, and perhaps a yearning to return. Subscribe to our channel for more immersive journeys. Let the world unfold, one breathtaking region at a time. We're Rena and Paul, and this is Two Brits Travel. Thanks for joining us on another step of our journey, where we turn daydreams into destinations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on social to keep up with our latest adventures. New videos drop every week with tips, stories, and inspiration for your next big trip. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and travel well.